I'm going to disassemble and replace my EPSON printer scanner flex cable because I noticed that its pins are broken. I'll also share with you guys how I do it. Now I'll show you how to remove the printer scanner first. Let's take the screw here on the top first. Then the one on the right side. Let's remove this cover to pull out the flex cable on the left side. Lift the right side first. As you can see, I don't insert the flex cable anymore because it's really broken. Next, let's disassemble. Let's remove the two screws here. Then this side as well. Now, let's slowly remove the plastic locks here on each side. Then let's flip it so that the scanner head doesn't fall. Let's remove this from the scanner head. This is the new flex cable. I bought it online, and it's very safe because it's placed in a container. Thank you to that online shop. Since it's not folded like the flex cable on the scanner head, we'll imitate its fold. This is my first replacement of a printer scanner flex cable, guys. Let's insert it. This is the fold of the small one that came with it, guys. I removed this so I could insert the small one. Now, let's put this back. Time to remove the old flex cable. Let's insert the flex here on the locks. Okay, let's put the cover back on. Let's put these screws back on. Let's put the scanner back on the printer. Insert the hole here first before screwing the top right. Make sure this cover properly attached. Let's wait for the power blink to finish. That's it. Okay guys, no error blink here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to watch more, here's what I recommend for you.